This is a Rosenquist EB-900H radio frequency gluer. The last owner did eliminate both the in-feed and out-feed tables to this machine. It would have been a feed-through machine. The reason why he did it is currently the machine is 11 feet wide, and that's even including your overhang of your pump modules right here, not including the pump. And that is even including your eye overhanging here. If this had the in-feed and out-feed, it would be about 30 feet long. So what he wanted is he wanted to be able to do large panels in a much tighter space, and he did accomplish this. And again, for those of you wondering how hard it is to load and unload, it would be very easy for you to apply glue to your edges, slide your material in. And again, most people aren't going to be making a 50-inch by 100-inch panel. You're going to be gluing up 8, 10, 12, 16, 24, 1, 2, 3 panels and filling it. The previous customer had this in an aisle. What I mean by that is one edge was blocked off and he was loading and unloading from one side into an aisle to make this as compact as possible, but to also have the largest capacity. You do have 5 hydraulic pushers up top, creating your down pressure on the top of your material. And in the back, creating edge pressure, you do have 18 hydraulic cylinders. Over here is your hydraulic pump. That is 10 horsepower. It does have a 20 kilowatt RF generator. Go ahead and turn the breakers on real fast right here. Gonna reset the RF. Double palm activated. I have the timer set for 15 seconds. All of your pushers are pushing in and your RF just engaged. Your counter is counting down the 15 seconds. Your secondary timer has kicked in. The cycle is done. Your back pushers are pushing in and your lid is going to open. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.